In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and how to get your information out to Excel quickly and cleanly. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online company and that you have permission to export data. Exports usually require admin or full access, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, check your user role with your account administrator. Start on your QuickBooks dashboard. Look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, the small cog that opens your settings. Click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Export Data. This takes you to a dedicated page designed specifically for pulling out the information you want to work with outside of QuickBooks. On the Export Data page, you'll see sections for reports and lists. Reports typically include things like profit and loss, balance sheet, and other financial statements and transaction summaries. Lists include your foundational records, such as your chart of accounts, customers, vendors, and products and services. Take a moment to decide what you need. If you're preparing for analysis, tax review, or a backup snapshot, you may want reports. If you're moving or reconciling records, lists are often the priority. You can select as many or as few items as you like, and in many cases, you'll have options to set a date range so your export focuses on the period that matters. Choosing relevant dates keeps your files smaller and your review simpler. As you make your selections, think about your downstream use. If you plan to pivot, filter, or combine data with other sources, exporting the detailed reports rather than summaries will give you more flexibility. If you're sending files to an accountant or colleague, keep the choices clear and label the download folder thoughtfully when you save it. Once you've confirmed your selections, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will prepare your files and begin the download. Depending on how much you chose, you may receive a single Excel workbook or a compressed folder containing multiple Excel files. When the download completes, open the file to verify the contents and formatting. If you need to refresh a range or add another list or report, simply return to the Export Data page and adjust your selections before exporting again. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can move your QuickBooks Online data into Excel for analysis, sharing, or archiving, while keeping full control over exactly what you export.